Hello, I'm Sam Bown, your instructor. I've been teaching technology classes for more than 20 years and working in technology for a lot more than that. And now I'm also a corporate consultant for artificial intelligence and security and secure coding. And I've been working on artificial intelligence for over 50 years. It's recently become much more interesting. Anyway, I'm primarily a student, just like you. Um, an instructor is kind of my excuse to be a student forever. This business keeps changing, and there are always new things to learn. So I'm learning right along with you, constantly reading the news, finding new and exciting things to do, developing new projects, and we can all move together into this exciting world of technology. It's great if you like to study, learn new things, and you don't want to get bored. So I hope you enjoy it as much as I do, and we can all move forward. In particular, this class will get you into machine code and assembly coding, which is a big step forward. I certainly got a lot more respect from the hacking community after learning and teaching this material. And I think you will also find it makes you a very powerful coder, far more powerful than people who only know high-level languages like Java and Python. So I'll see you in class. Farewell.